My name is Dylan Glas, and I'm a robotics researcher. And I'm here in Pakistan to attend my sister's wedding. She just got married, so it's my first trip to Pakistan, and it's been very exciting so far. So my background, initially, I studied aerospace engineering at MIT, and I got my master's in that. And I realized that that made me qualified to build weapons and things like that. And while I was looking for jobs, I started realizing that's not what I wanted to do. So I took some time and I went to Japan, actually, and I taught English there for about 3 years, and met a lot of people, made some connections. And then later I found a job in Japan building robots, and I was always excited about robotics. And this was an opportunity to work with robots that hug children and help elderly people go shopping and all these crazy things that I'd never thought of. And so I was really lucky to have that opportunity. And I spent most of my career there working in Japan, developing social robots. These are robots that interact with people, they speak, they gesture, and interacting socially, the idea is that they're going to support us and make our lives better. So a number of my projects, initially I was working with a robot called RoboV. It's sort of a humanoid robot that can drive around. We put them in shopping malls to help give people directions, recommend shops, play with children, things like that. And we ran a lot of studies in elementary schools, in science museums, places like that. And gradually I was building up to my final project at ATR, which was Erica, who is this humanoid android. She looks just like a person. And I was the lead software engineer of her architecture. So I designed sort of the way that she thinks and generates behavior. People have seen Erica in a lot of places. She's gone to a few events and conferences and things. A lot of people have come to our lab to see Erica in person and talk with her. And currently she's a TV anchor in Tokyo, in Japan. So she's actually on TV giving the news, things like that. So one of the interesting things about Erica is the way that she thinks and the way we designed it. One of our important driving design factors was the idea that she should have intentions and desires. So it's a sort of different way of programming social robots to have it intention-driven. And they're continuing work on that, and I think that's a direction where robots are going to start thinking more like us and reasoning more like the way we do, so we can understand them better.